Credit card decline on Epic Games got you seeing red. Don't smash your keyboard just yet, let's fix it. First, really double check, that you've entered your card number, expiration date, and CVV code correctly. Even a tiny typo can cause a decline. Make sure there are no extra spaces. Next up, confirm your card hasn't expired. Seems obvious, right? But it's easily overlooked, especially if you're using a saved card. Ensure you have sufficient funds available on your card. The Epic Games purchase might be pushing you over your credit limit, even temporarily. Let's remove your credit card and read it. Go to your Epic Games Store account settings and find the payment methods section. Click the little trash can or delete icon next to your card to remove it from your account. Now, re-enter your card details carefully, paying close attention to everything we covered earlier. Number, expiry, CVV, and billing address. Sometimes, your bank might flag the transaction as suspicious, especially if you don't normally make online purchases or if the amount is unusually high. Contact your bank or credit card company and let them know you're trying to make a legitimate purchase from Epic Games. If you're still having trouble, try using a different payment method altogether. Epic Games accepts a variety of options like PayPal, PaySafeCard, and other local payment methods, if available. Still no luck? Head over to the Epic Games support website. They have a dedicated support team ready to help you troubleshoot payment issues. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions gets you back in the game and enjoying your latest Epic Games purchase. Good luck.